Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to integrate Klaviyo with Shopify accounts. So the first thing that you would like to do, of course, is just go and open whatever browser you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, I'm actually using Brave, but of course, in your case, you can use any other browser could be possibly working for you. Once you open that browser, make sure to go to this URL section and simply type klaviyo.com and hit the enter button. That should take you into this page. And as you can see from that page, you can actually click at login if you have an account. Once you click here, as you can see, this will take you to the login page. So all you need to do, just go and enter your email, password, check if this I'm not a robot, then log in into your account. Of course, you can even log in with the SSO. If you don't have a Klaviyo account, you can click at let's get started so you can actually create your account. Just fill all the information needed here to create your account. And of course, click at Get Started to create your account. Once you're logged in or you created your account, you'll find yourself on this page, which is going to be your home screen or your main screen on Klaviyo website. So as we said in the beginning of this tutorial, we would like to show you how to integrate your Shopify account with your Klaviyo account. So of course, if you want to do that, you can click at your account name at the lower left corner. And once you click on this, make sure to click on integrations. Here, you'll find all the possible websites that you can connect with. Of course, you can just go here and filter and simply type Shopify. As you can see, here is it. Click at Add Integration, and that should open this for you. Here, you'll have to enter your store URL and make sure to select a list that you would like to, of course, a list of people that you would like to have them notified that you connected that with your Shopify. Of course, you can synchronize your Shopify SMS subscribers to Klaviyo if you want. Simply, once you finish, click as connect to Shopify and you'll be good to go. So that will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching and goodbye.